How to send view once photos or videos on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send view once photos and videos on Messenger. So let's just dive right into the video and do it without any delay. So if you want to send view once photos and videos on Messenger, it is a very easy method. First thing is heading over to Messenger, of course. You can just go ahead and log in into your Messenger application if you're on your phone. And once you are logged in, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So all you need to do is, first of all, head over to chat, whichever you want. And once you head over to the chat, the next thing you need to do is, in the bottom, you will be finding media option. So go ahead and locate this option, this one right here, or you can also click a picture at the moment. So you can just go ahead and select a picture. Once you select up a picture, in the bottom, you'll be finding edit and send option. Go ahead and select this option called edit. So once you go ahead and select edit, you should be finding this options on your bottom, quality, your story, and a timer. So when you go ahead and tap on this off option, it will be turned on into view once. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and send it. And when you send it, you should be finding a timer and your photo will be set. So that is how you send the view once photos or videos on Messenger. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.